Hello, hi. Today I am teaching mean, median, mode, and range. In first step, I will rearrange these terms 5, 6, 9, 14, 16, 16, 19, and 22. Now I will find mean. Mean. The formula for mean is x bar is equal to sum of observations over number of observations is equal to sigma x over n is equal to. Now I'll add these terms 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 14 plus 16 plus 16 plus 19 plus 22 and divided by, there are total numbers of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is equal to 107 over 8. 107 over 8. 8 is equal to 107 over 8 is equal to 13.38 approximately. In second step, I will find median. Median. Number of terms are 8. Therefore, I use formula for even numbers to find the median. Here is equal to n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term over 2. Here n is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. Number of terms is equal to 8. 8 by 2 term plus 8 by 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to fourth term 8 by 2 4 4 plus 1 fifth term divided by 2 is equal to fourth term is here, fourth term is 14 and fifth term is 16. Therefore, it is equal to 14 plus 16 divided by 2 is equal to 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. 15 is our answer. Now for mode. Mode is equal to most occurring observation is equal to 16 occurs 2 times, therefore 16 is our mode. Now range range is equal to xm minus x1. xm is greatest term and x1 is smallest term. It is equal to 22 minus 5 is equal to 17. Thanks.